Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out, your experience section is a key spot for recruiters and potential employers to learn about your skills and accomplishments. I'm Akash, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about how to add experience to your LinkedIn profile. To add experience to your LinkedIn profile, click on the Me icon, then click on the View Profile tab. Now click on the Add Profile section. In the Course section, click on the Add Position option. Now you have to enter the experience details, starting with the title. I'll choose Staff Writer. Then choose the employment type, whether you are working as a full-time, part-time, or freelance or self-employed. Then enter the company name. Choose the company. Enter your location. Then choose the location type, whether it was on-site, hybrid, or remote. If you are currently working on this role, tick mark this option and then enter the start date. You can also enter the end date if you have left the job. Then enter the description of the job. It will automatically fill the profile headline. As you can see, we have already entered the staff writer at the top. Then you can add up to 5 skills you have learned in the job. You can also add media, like a link to your articles or websites. You can add media like uploading your pictures, presentations, or documents. And after that, click on the Save button. And that's how you add experience to your LinkedIn profile. If this video helped you, give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon, and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.